Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got Sygnus Real Estate Finance Limited here, listing on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So it's now traded if you invested in that IPO or in that deal. Now, it goes on to say that actually Sygnus Real Estate Finance Limited is actually now the 14th listed security on our very own JSE for 2021. That's a big deal. And the fourth initial public offer or IPO to list also in 2021. Now, Jamaica Producers Group, the all-conquering conglomerate, ticker symbol JP, trading in their shares here on the buy side. We've been seeing quite a bit of that. We've been seeing trades of 200,000 or more pretty continuously on the JP connected parties, directors, managers, and so forth. In this case, on October 5th, 2021, 32,450 shares here purchased by a senior officer. That's good to see. Now, Mayberry Investments Limited trading in their shares also a bit similar on the buy side. This is the investment bank of Mayberry. Connected party buying up 94,033 shares on September 30th, 2021. Big news here in the financial markets. Now, Ciboney Group coming out here and making some moves and some disclosures. The market has always wanted to hear more from the board of directors of Ciboney, what they're doing. They had that RFP a year ago approximately or so. And the stock price has been like a roller coaster, up a lot, to the point where the company or the board had to come up with disclosures. Sometimes it moves a bit lower. So it's good to be getting information from the board of directors, given that they just published financial results. And of course, the company seems like more and more it's winding up, or in a way, it doesn't have much cash on the balance sheet, not much assets. So the market is always craving more information from Ciboney or an official release. So we're seeing them make some moves here. Now, what they're saying is the board meeting happened September 28th, 2021, and these are all effective October 1st, 2021, a couple of days ago by Ciboney. So their registered office is going to be relocated to well-known 30 National Hero Circle, Kingston 4, where the operations will be managed. So that's a clear move, consolidation. Let's take that away. Now, Mr. Errol Campbell will remain as a board chair, but will no longer be on the audit committee. That's a good move, probably for corporate governance purposes. Stock exchange, we're not exactly sure, but another change. And the company will no longer have a designated post as executive director. Last up, overseas markets. General Motors motoring ahead with the whole EV strategy or electric vehicle strategy. Now, the CEO came out with a brilliant presentation. We've seen that work for Apple over the past decade, where they plan to double revenues by 2030. They're going to be focusing on their platform Cruise, where those vehicles just drive themselves, all that cool stuff. We've been seeing that from Tesla, other companies. Now we're seeing General Motors mention that, and double revenues by the end of the decade to approximately, they're targeting $280 billion US. Big number as they focus on their EV strategy. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.